Hey there, my amazing artists. Artist Palette, welcome back to Kiddo Adventure Zone, the most exciting place where we draw, color, and bring your favorite heroes to life every single week. Rainbow. If you love superheroes, action, and fun, then you're in the right place. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss our creative adventures. Dizzy. Today, we're swinging into action with two of the coolest web-slingers ever, Spider-Man and Spider-Gwen. Spider. So grab your pencils, colors, and get ready for a fun and action-packed drawing adventure full of creativity and excitement. Let's start with the one and only Spider-Man, the friendly neighborhood hero who always swings in to save the day. Spiderweb. Begin by drawing his big heroic head with those large white eyes on the mask. They make him look alert and ready for action. Then, sketch his muscular body stretching in a dynamic pose, like he's just about to leap or shoot his web across the city skyline. Don't forget to draw the web pattern across his costume. It's what makes Spider-Man instantly recognizable, bold, and full of energy. Now it's time to bring Spider-Man to life with some amazing colors. Artist Palette. Start by coloring his suit in bright, bold red. It's his classic color that shows bravery and courage. Next, fill the rest of his costume with deep blue, making him look ready for heroic action under the city lights. Finally, make his spider symbol and web lines stand out in black, and add a little shading to make him look super cool and full of power. Collision. Now, let's move on to something fun. The spider logos that represent our amazing heroes. Spider. Begin by drawing the circle shapes around each spider logo. These look like colorful web portals opening into another Spider-Verse. Inside each circle, carefully draw the spider designs, some with long legs, others more compact. Each one shows the spirit of a different spider hero. Take your time and make each logo unique, like it's glowing with energy and connecting all the spider heroes together. High voltage. Now it's time to make these spider logos pop with color. Rainbow. Use bright, bold shades like red, yellow, green, orange, and blue to make every logo look full of action and power. Add a soft shadow around each one. Now your spider logos look like they're spinning right out of an epic Spider-Verse adventure. Cyclone. Next up, let's draw the amazing and fearless Spider-Gwen, the hero who brings both style and strength to every mission. Sparkling heart. Start by drawing her round mask with the large pink eyes. They give her that cool, mysterious look. Then, sketch her athletic pose, maybe crouching or ready to swing just like Spider-Man. She's always in motion and full of energy. Add the details of her hoodie and costume. The hood is one of her coolest features, showing she's ready for action in her own unique way. Now comes the colorful part. Let's make Spider-Gwen look spectacular. Ribbon. Start with her white suit, then fill in the inside of her hood and eyes with bright pink for that signature Spider-Gwen style. Color her arms and legs with light blue and add pink web spots all over. It makes her look fun, modern, and full of energy. Finally, add a bit of shadow under her hands and feet to make her look like she's really swinging through the air with confidence. Dizzy. And that's it, my super artists. Collision, we've finished drawing and coloring our awesome heroes, Spider-Man, Spider-Gwen, and those powerful spider logos. Spider Artist Palette. They look colorful, brave, and totally ready to swing into another adventure across the Spider-Verse. Milky Way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kiddo Adventure Zone for more fun, creative, and action-packed art every single week. Crayon. And remember, with a little imagination, you can be a hero too. Rainbow Sparkles.